Rosella, what are you making?
I'm making chicken with mushrooms.
And what ingredients do you have on the side?
I have oil, pepper, salt, garlic flour,
Okay.
and also chicken mushrooms.
Okay. So what's put the chicken in the bowl, right?
Yeah.
So hold on 1 second. Hold on, let me get a. Open it up. Hold on, let me get it for you. Okay. I'll put all the chicken in the bowl. Just like that. Go ahead. Put it in. It's okay. There's skin on them. Boneless skinned chicken thighs. Okay, now, what's the first thing you're going to put in the bowl?
Mushroom.
No, you're going to put the oil first. So put a little bit of oil.
How much?
I'll tell you when. Go ahead, slow. Good, good, good. Go, 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 go. A little bit more. Good. Okay, now you're going to put some garlic powder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, here's a slippery. Can you do that?
Sure I can. Why are my hands slippery?
How much?
Okay, go ahead. I'll tell you when. Okay, good. And now you gotta do the salt and the pepper.
Together?
I mean, one at a time, but yeah, they both go in the bowl. Gotta twist it. I know, it's tough. Do you want a little help? Ooh, you're getting it. It's shaking out of there, which is crazy. All right, that's good. Yeah. And then same thing with the pepper, okay? Hello. Don't bring it towards you. Leave it over the bowl when you're doing it, okay? There you go. Yes. A little bit more. Oh, yeah, if you say so. That's it. And now, your favorite part.
Mushroom.
Mix them up.
Hey. Can someone put my a pants up because they are going down?
Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
I'm going down again. What the heck are you doing? Who wants to help me put my pants up again?
Mix them up really good. Yep, yep.
Good?
Keep going. You gotta mix them up really good.
They're freezing my hands.
Oh, I bet they're cold.
And then put mushrooms in.
We're gonna put the mushrooms in another pan.
Why? How am I freezing my head? I love inside of them. They're so beautiful inside of them.
Yes.
They usually go like this.
Yeah.
And it flows and I can't even do that. Then I just put it in. Then there's a beautiful thing inside of them.
Don't give away all your secrets.
I know, because they're nice and soft on the outside and also inside. This is my first time cutting mushrooms. Here's a mushroom.
Yeah.
Here's a stem.
Yeah.
We put a stem off.
Okay.
Because that isn't good for a tummy.
Okay.
Use it. Butter knife, I could use it. And so Daddy teached me this. This sharp side goes down on the mushroom, cuts it, then put it right in here.
Good job, babe.
Then you keep going. See this? Get out.